What's up everyone? I've been procrastinating all morning. It's 12 o'clock, actually it's already 1 o'clock in the afternoon. There is a little bit of a plan that I'd like to do today. It's quite miserable outside, so the idea is new frame, give it a clean, give it a buff, do a little time lapse of design decals on the frame. We'll see what goes from there. Cool, so we have run into the evening now after cleaning the frame and everything. I'm going to get into doing some decals, some test decals covering the frame, and we'll do some time lapse of that. So catch you there. What's happening everyone? Back here for another day with this decal designing saga. We're gonna try and first of all, what's been happening throughout the week is like I said in previous stuff or videos should I say, is that there was a bit of sketching on the bike. I think I still need to refine that. You'll see here this, I'm not sure if this is gonna cut it. But we're heading in the right direction. The other parts of the bike, like the Specialized logo and that, are all sort of designed and sorted out. So I don't know if you can see here. It's this way. You should know by now which way it is. Anyways, so if you can see here, let's get it right. So we have the Specialized logo all set up, ready and sized. So I've got a left and right for that. The Manitow, as you can see there, the Manitow sticker in red, that's going to be changed to an orange M. That's all designed. So I think for now I have done a few digital designs. I'll flick them through here on the screen right now. Boom, boom, boom. And I've had a bit of to and fro with colors and what to do. And I think I may have actually decided what I want to do. So I'm not going to reveal anything now, but I will put those three options up and so you guys can see what it looks like and what the direction is for these decals. Today, actually, I was kind of looking at other bikes, and they have like I don't know if you can see underneath of the frame here where the wheel goes and the pedals, they have like a protective film, whatever color it may be, clear, whatever. I think I'm going to do a nice black piece. And the hard part is getting all these notches to line up once it's designed. I think I'll catch you guys on another day, on another weekend. I'm actually going away, so I won't have time to do any stuff, but I will be doing some riding in the Drakensberg, and I hope to put some awesome footage together of that. I will be using the hardtail as this won't be ready, but that is not a problem to me as long as I'm riding. Cool, let's get to it.